Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App in 2025. With the ever-evolving digital payment landscape, this process has gotten even smoother, but we'll walk through it step by step so you can do it confidently. First off, why bother? Whether you're moving funds for everyday expenses, investments, or just consolidating your money, linking PayPal and Cash App can save you time and fees. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure both your PayPal and Cash App accounts are fully set up and verified. In 2025, PayPal might have enhanced security features like biometric logins, so double-check that. Open the PayPal app on your phone or log in via the website. Navigate to your wallet or balance section. Step 2. Withdraw your funds from PayPal to your linked bank account. Select the amount you want to transfer, choose your bank as the destination, and confirm the transaction. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days, but with 2025's faster processing, it might be instant for some users. Keep an eye on any potential fees. PayPal often charges for certain withdrawals, so plan accordingly. Step 3. Once the money hits your bank, open the Cash App. If you haven't already, link your bank account to Cash App. Go to the Banking tab, add your bank details, and verify it quickly through a small test deposit. Step 4. Now, deposit the funds into Cash App. Select Add Cash or Deposit Money, choose your bank as the source, enter the amount, and hit Confirm. Cash App's 2025 updates might include real-time transfers, making this seamless. Step 5. Verify everything. Check your balances in both apps to ensure the transfer went through. If you run into issues, both apps have robust customer support chatbots now. A quick tip: always use secure networks for these transactions to avoid any risks. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to Cash App in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, right? If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.